Hello beautiful people and welcome to my channel. So I finally unboxed the new iPhone 14 Pro and I have to put a case on it. So I just bought this iPhone 14 Pro clear case directly from Apple, and yeah, I'm really excited to see how it's gonna look like and if the hype is right with this clear case. So let's get right on with the unboxing and let's see what's in the box. As you can see, here we have the 14 Pro clear case, and this one is directly from Apple. And yeah, just a simple box, really Apple-like. And as you can see, I just unboxed this iPhone, so if you want to watch the unboxing for it, you can check it out on my channel or in the right corner. And yeah, this is the box, just a simple Apple-like box, and we can see how the case is gonna look like. And we have a whole tab over here. Let's open it. Okay, and let's take it out because I'm very curious of how it's gonna look like on this beautiful iPhone. Okay, here we have the case, just a little paper, nothing really that important, so we are not gonna read it. And yeah, this is the case. As you can see, it's very pretty, and I like the material. It's just plastic, you know, it's not like silicone or something like that. And this is how we are gonna take it out. And yeah, that's about it. This is the case. As you can see, we have written inside iPhone MagSafe, designed by Apple in California. And as you can see, the quality it's really high on this case. Of course, it's from Apple, so yeah, that's what we expect. So let's put the iPhone in the case. Okay, and this is how it's gonna look like. This is a really beautiful combo, if I can say so myself. So yeah, this is the clear case for the iPhone 14 Pro, and it's a really nice combo. So thank you for watching, and check out the other videos from my channel also with the unboxing for this iPhone, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching, and be well, be safe, and I'll catch you guys in the next time.